Hi everybody, it's Joe Oden down at All Seasons RV in Streetsboro, Ohio. Today I'm going to take a minute to talk to you about surge protectors and autoformers. So what is a surge protector, you may ask? Well, it's basically an insurance policy for all the appliances in your camper, and it protects you against a surge. A surge is what happens when there's a dramatic drop in voltage at a campground and followed by a dramatic increase in voltage at a campground. And what that can do is cause the circuit boards in your refrigerator, furnace, air conditioner, TV, and all your other major appliances to short out, which in turn could cost anywhere from $2,500 to $5,000 to repair. Most of the time, your insurance company isn't going to cover it, and it's not going to be covered by any warranty. So in order to combat this issue, we have surge protectors. So there's a few different surge protector options out there on the market. What I have here is the most basic surge protector we sell. Plugs right into the pedestal at the campground, and it allows you to monitor if how the polarity on the plug is, if the ground's open, if the hot and neutral are reversed. So not only does this protect you against the surge, it allows you to know if the pedestal is wired properly. Like I said, this is the most basic surge protector. It'll protect you against any kind of exterior surge from the outside, but it's not going to protect you from any interior surge caused by low voltage within your camper. So if you want to be protected by low voltage within your camper, you'd want to upgrade to the SurgeGuard Smart Surge. What this does is after the voltage drops below 108 volts at the campground, just because everybody's running their air conditioner, things like that, this will actually shut the power off to your camper. The reason you want that power shut off to your camper after that point is because if you're running your air conditioner below 108 volts, it gives it the potential to melt down, which essentially causes a surge within your trailer, which is going to cause all the same problems that you'd have without a surge protector. So this is just a little bit more upgraded option, protects you a little bit more, so that's another great option. Next on the docket, I have the hardwired smart surge protector. So this is the same thing as the regular SurgeGuard. However, this is inside of your coach, out of sight, out of mind, and you can monitor everything from the inside of your camper on this remote mounted monitor panel, and you can just toggle through to get voltage readings, amperage readings, things like that. One of the benefits about having an internal surge protector is that you don't have to worry about it getting stolen. You don't have to worry about having it get knocked around in your storage compartment. You don't have to worry about it getting wet or melting down at the pedestal if the pedestal heats up a little much. So it's just another option this way. This one's a little more ease of mind friendly, and you don't have to worry about it at all. It's always going to be in your camper. You never have to worry about it. So moving on from surge protectors, last thing I'm going to talk to you about autoformers. So what an autoformer does is it keeps that voltage above 108 even if everyone in the campground is below 108. This way you can still have your air conditioning, you can still have all your major appliances, and still have safety all the way around. You don't have to worry about your appliances shorting out, because this actually is full of capacitors, and it'll boost you and keep you above 108 volts, so all your appliances can run safely at their normal capacity, and you can still have all of your essentials running. Not only is it going to keep that voltage boosted up, it does also act as any of these surge protectors would act as well. So if you do happen to have a large surge throughout the campground, it is going to protect you against that as well. So this is the most well-rounded policy, so to speak, insurance policy. It's going to keep you safe, it's going to keep your appliances running well, and it's going to keep you cool in the summertime. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you have any more questions, feel free to give us a call at 330-564-0222. Have a great day.